If you think this measure is not necessary, this is anti-business, it's okay with me. I did my job as local legislator. From there, ansap na ako po.
Sinukunan ng Konsilor Reden Halili, ing susubong ng ordinansa ang mag-obligasyon na kareng sablang business owners keng syudad na ning San Fernando, akumang security guards para kareng karelang establishmento. Iti kaya rin ang pepasyag ding miyembro na ning Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM, ing karelang pamanyalangsang keng mera pata public consultation keng Heroes Hall ngening Webis January 18.
Kung obligahan niyo po kami kukuha ng security guard, nung pandemic, nag-survive po kami dahil tinanggal po namin ang mga security guard po namin. Because we were not earning. So ano pong ginawa naming measure? Yung pong mismong empleyado ho namin, primarily mga utility, hindi ho kasi high risk yung amin, sila ho yung ginawa naming magbabantay sa aming mga establishmento. So, ano pong gusto ko sabihin? Kung hindi ho namin ginawa yun, magsasara ho kami. Moving forward, hanggang ngayon, hindi ho kami kumukuha ng gwardiya because kami po ay loss pa rin. Kami po ay negatibo pa rin pa sa negosyo ho namin. Yun po ang sentimento namin dito sa ordinansang ito.
Agpang Past President na ning PAMCHAM ay Rene Romero, makasawp ka ring bisang magnegosyo keng San Fernando, ing gawan niyang prerequisite ing pamag-hire security guard bang manikwang mayor's permit.
Yung parte ng proposed ordinance na ito, yung precondition na kailangan meron kang security guard bago ka makapag-business dito sa San Fernando. Yun po ang unang-unang hindi gusto ng business sector. Ang solusyon po dyan is siguro cooperation between the private sector and the PNP, kapulisan, and the local government unit. Hindi yung gagamitin yung sitwasyon na parang iipitin.
Akit mo naman keng opposition letter na ning PAMCHAM, a financial burden niya kareng kumpanya nung miubligan lang kumang secure. Papatak kasi at 24,000 pesos ing monthly salary na ning security guard ang mag-duty 8 oras al doldo. Buri ng sabyan, mira siyang 72,000 pesos ing kailangang gastusan na ning meto nga negosyante keng pabulan bang abantere ing kayang business 24/7. Eya naman kano dapat maging one size fits all ing ordinansa, lalo na ela para-parehas kabilyan deng business owners. Pauli dareng may sabing sangkan, minurong ya ing proponent ning ordinansa iya Halili keng kalibutara na ning diskusyon.
Siguro po, ang makaninina mo po, I will withdraw this ordinance. I will withdraw this ordinance. But if there's something happen in the near future or in the far future, something happen, ala na akong problema. I did my job. Makanita ko mo po. Sige po. Para po ma-continue, I will not pursue this ordinance anymore.
Salamat no man ring miyembro na ng business sector king pamanatindi ng Halili at bistaman making mapali ing argumento king konsultasyon, papakit na mo kanunini ing masanting agagawa na ning partnership king kapamilatan na ning public at private sector.
We come together. No? It has worked before. It's a proven solution already, no? Tried and tested. That what they call this, the PPPs are really working. So, yung efforts ng PNP, the proactive efforts of the Sangguniang also, we appreciate. So, thank you so much, Mr. Chair, and for the withdrawal of the resolution.
Asula king migit 12,000 ring business establishment king San Fernando. King presentasyon na ning PNP, tutulang outnumber ring police personnel at sula mo king bilang 130. Kaya naman ing police to population ratio king syudad, asuya king 1 police officer is to 2,700 at malaut king ideal number a 1 is to 500. Pangaras naman karing robbery incidents, akit kanuna asuya ini king downtrend. Uling in dating 30 cases anyang 2022, mi baba na mo king 20 cases anyang 2023. Samantala, bistaman inurong neng halili ing proposed ordinance, pepasyas na pamurin ing kapanwala na a crime deterrent tsaka no ing pamag-hire security guards kareng establishmento.
For me, if there is the presence of a security guard in any establishments or whether it is bank or what, misipla pa ring criminals before doing it. Just like what I have said, even criminals, they are thinking, they're planning before doing it. So, balo dan kapilan lang ang lungog kasi magplano lang naman eh.
Ako yung kakaing talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalem.